this place. US Marine helicopter. Military helicopter. Tactical operations. It's very huge. And this is the engine. It took a pretty bad hit to the water. It's completely damaged. I'm glad it did not catch fire because it was a fully loaded tank.
That's why of course he couldn't fly. But just imagine, it is in the middle of the New York City.
They are telling him to land on the runway. No way. How can he land on the runway? A small Cessna 2-seater. Gay.
All of a sudden, a flight is coming down.
Atomic bomb which was dropped in Hiroshima. Flight data recorder. Damaged part of the aircraft. US Air Force. The whole aircraft was very badly damaged. Another aircraft here. I do not know how they got it here all the way from New York. They must have detached the wings. Oh, it's torn apart. This is the movie where keep on running all day. Miracle on the Hudson.
Yes, it was a bird strike. Can I get them in for runway 1? Runway 1, that's good. Can I get 1529, turn right 280, can land runway 1 at Teterboro? We can't do it. Okay, which runway would you like at Teterboro? I'm sorry, say again, Captain? All of a sudden, the captain came over, and he said, "This is the captain, place to run it back." The flight attendants went into a challenge of heads down, stay down, brace. Can I get 1529, radar contact is below you.
Go to the next section. Another flight about to take off. You can watch this all day long. Small one, and there's bigger one. Hudson, American Eagle. is going to make a lot of noise. See some of the models of the helicopter, all the military helicopter and tanks. We'll go to the next section, which is the historic hangar.
You're talking about a hangar from the mid-1930s. So we're talking about, basically 90 years old, this building. That is air traffic control. Yes, let me show you.
Oh, wow.
So this is my favorite thing.
Yeah.
Is right here. This is a live tour of all of the airplanes in about a 150-mile radius flying around Charlotte. This is live. It's ready to go. So this plane, it's blue, so it's exiting Charlotte. And you touch it, and it'll tell you what the aircraft type is, where it's going, how fast, all that good stuff. This will tell you what's landing. And then every once in a while, you'll hear actual air traffic control talking. So, hello.
Wow. Wow. No,
So here, so there you've got somebody going to Albany. Every once in a while, we'll pick up Raleigh, Durham.
just Charlotte to Raleigh. That's a short flight.
Very short flight. Very popular though.
Wow.
It's like
Really?
9 times a day they go to Raleigh, Durham.
Really?
I know, it's kind of crazy.
It
Isn't it? One pilot, 2 people. And you can book it like an air taxi. It will take you from here to Charleston, South Carolina. Yeah, or Columbia, South Carolina. That's okay. I think you can handle it. Okay, so you know, I know you've done it. This is the T-33. So this is a military jet trainer. So head on up. That you yourself can fly. So this aircraft is kind of ubiquitous. More than 20 countries actually learned or used it to train their jet pilots in the late 40s, 50s, 60s. And it's not very comfortable looking, is it? If you look in the cockpit, it's like tiny, for the tiniest, tiniest. I know, right? Now, can you imagine? You're a young person, a young man at the time, of course. You're wearing a full flight suit. You're wearing oxygen, the whole deal, and you're stuck in there for a couple, 3 hours learning how to fly. You put yourself in the mind of the person right there, right? Yeah, and having to do that. Well, and like the canopy's right here, so it'll come. Yeah. You can fly this. There is a sim. This is a simulator. This is a simulator. They're the same program, but they don't talk to each other. So each of you could be flying at the same time and not affect each other. It is this aircraft set up to land at Charlotte. Yeah. You're welcome to give it a try.
Hi. I'm ready to fly.
Flying to the moon.
However you get down there that you're comfortable with is good with us.
I
The
was
only people
hesitant
that
to.
seem to not hesitate are like second graders that climb on it, like a little
I was
monkey.
hesitant to put my shoe over.
Yeah, no. Whatever you need to do.
Thank you.
And she's going to disappear way down there. There she goes.
Look here.
Okay,
Okay,
so
let me show you.
here.
Yeah.
Hi.
That's why you have to release that button. You can just hit that again.
That's the airfield light. some of the earlier flights, Piedmont. So, how was your trip?
It was good. I flew, and first attempt was really bad. Second attempt was less bad, I can say. But it was thrilling. Yeah, I flew by myself.
So, how is your overall experience today?
Oh, this is amazing. If you are in Charlotte area, तो आपको यहाँ पे आना ही चाहिए. दो छोटा है बट इसमें बहुत ही इम्पैक्ट है. यहाँ पे जो बाहर है ऑफकोर्स आप फ्लाइट्स वो सब देख सकते हो. एंड देन अगर आपके साथ छोटे बच्चे हैं तो वो फ्लाइट व्यूइंग एरिया है, वो भी बहुत एक्साइटिंग है. आप फ्लाइट लैंड करते हुए एंड टेक ऑफ करते हुए देख सकते हो. एंड हडसन एरिया दैट वाज लाइक रियली रियली गुड. स्पेशली जो मूवी दिखाते हैं, जो कैसे फ़्लाइट हडसन पे लैंड किया, उस वक्त क्या चल रहा था, वो मुझे आई एम श्योर मैं उसको मेरी हर एक फ़्लाइट के वक्त याद करने वाली हूँ. और यहाँ पे हमें आए ये हिस्टोरिकल हैंगर, यहाँ पे स्टाफ बहुत ही फ्रेंडली है. शी टॉट मी हाउ टू स्टिमुलेट द फ्लाइट एंड बहुत स्माइल करके, और बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. इट वॉज टोटली वर्थ अ ट्रिप.